Most indicators tell you what already happened. They paint a candle after the move, they fire an alert after the wick, and they leave you alone with the hardest part. How much should I risk? How much should I decide? And whether or not I should keep my money in this trade. We got tired of it, so we built the TS Hunter. The TS Hunter does not only give you a signal, it gives you the full identity and the full trade plan. The moment it prints a buy or sell, everything is already on your chart: entry, protective stops, TP1, TP3, and the higher time frame exit that trails underneath every single trade. Not drawn after the fact, not drawn in hindsight, printed at the candle live in front of you. 4 layers working at the same time. So instead of talking about the profits right now, I'm gonna let the profits speak for themselves. I'm gonna stop speaking. I'm gonna choose an area on the chart. I'm gonna select replay, and I'm gonna let you see for yourself how profitable this thing is and what actually happens when this trade fires on your charts. And keep in mind that you guys can get access to this right now visiting trustedsignals.com. Use code FINAL50 for 50% off all memberships, and that's available until the end of the month. So trust me, you guys are gonna wanna go ahead and join us. Watch this video all the way through, see how profitable it is, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the inside. If you're still watching the video, I appreciate you. I want to go ahead and see who is watching the video. So comment down below. Tell me what you guys want to go ahead and see, and any specific assets, I'll go ahead and make videos for you right away.